Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are discuss about C language. C programming language is a high language is used for creating applications and programming languages. So introduction to C language start. C is a programming language developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It was designed and written by a man named Dennis Ritchie in the late 70s. C began to replace the more familiar language of PL likes ACL. NSI standard emerged in the early 1980s. This book was split into two titles. The original was still called Programming in C, and the title that covered NSI-C was called Programming in NSI-C. Now, the software tool as well as the C compiler in written as C. Major part of popular operating system like Windows, Unix, Linux is written in C. This is because even today when it comes to performance speed of execution, nothing beats C. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को डेवलप करने वाली लैंग्वेजेस में सी लैंग्वेज को कोई भी हरा नहीं सकता, क्योंकि सी लैंग्वेज एक की बहुत ही हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज है जो कि आसानी से प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को डेवलप कर देती है एंड बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन को भी डेवलप करती है.